Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, today we will study an important and interesting topic in chemical bonding. It is shapes of molecules. My dear student, this topic will help you understand why molecules have different structure, how atoms arrange themselves and 3D space, and how these affect their properties. We will learn this with the help of the valential electron pair repulsion theory, also known as VSEPR theory. So let's start. VSEPR theory, main basic idea. Now definition: the shape of molecules depends on the number of electrons pair, mean bonding and lone pairs around the central atoms. And second one rule: electron pairs repel each other and try to stay as far apart as possible to minimize repulsion. And third one is order of repulsion strength. Lone pair have greater repulsion than lone pair, bond pair have greater repulsion than bond pair, bond pair. Now we take some common shapes of molecules. The first one is linear shape. Description: in linear shape, atoms are arranged in a straight line, and linear shape bond angle is 180 degree, and linear shape a condition is two bonding pair, no lone pairs on the central atom. Example C2: there is no lone pair on the central atoms and the bond angle is 180 degree. Now the second one is trigonal planar shape. Description: and trigonal planar shape, three atoms arranged around the central atom and one plane. Bond angle is 120 degree. Condition as three bonding pairs, no lone pairs. Example BF3. BF3, the structure of BF3 is trigonal planar shape, and there is three bonding pairs, no lone pair, and the bond angle is 120 degree. Now the third one is tetrahedral shape. Description: four atoms arranged around the central atom in 3D space. Bond angle is 109.5 degree. Condition: four bonding pairs, no lone pairs. Example CH4. In CH4 there is four bonding pairs, no lone pairs, and the bond angle is 109.5 degree. And the four atoms arranged around the central atom in 3D space. Now the fourth one is Trigonal Pyramidal shape. Description: three atoms and one lone pair around the central atom. Bond angle about 107 degree, less than tetrahedral due to lone pair repulsion. Example NH3. There is three atoms and one lone pair around the central atom, and bond angle is 109 degree. Now the fifth one is bent or V-shaped. Description: two atoms bonded and two lone pairs on the central atom, and two lone pair on the central atom. Bond angle about 104.5 degree. Example H2O is a band shape and the bond angle is about 104.5 degree. So my dear student, the shape of molecule is not random. It depends on the number of bonding and lone pairs of electrons around the central atom. This is why molecules like water are bent, methane is tetrahedral, and carbon dioxide is linear. So, this is all about today's lecture on shapes of molecules. I hope you understand. If this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. And comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.